need to rebuild or build your credit card in 2025, then let's talk about the Avant credit card. So, Avant credit card is an unsecured credit card designed for people with fair to poor credits, no deposit required, and it reports to all three major credit bureaus, making it a solid tool for credit building. There is no hidden fees, but there is actually an annual fee which is typically around $39 and credit limits start low around 300 to $1,000 and increase with responsible use. What to watch is that no balance transfer or cashback perks and the APR is high, over 30%, or it can also go up to 35.99%. Now, if it's still worth it or not. It is actually simple if you want to build or fix your credit without a secured card. But if your score is actually decent, then you've got better options. Avant in 2025 is simple, focused, and gets the job done.